Hi, my name is Robert Adams. Our law firm is Robert J. Adams and Associates. Our primary practice is helping individuals who have serious financial problems through the bankruptcy code, whether it be Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Frequently, people call me up and they're worried about, well, if they file bankruptcy, what happens to their property? Well, this video will discuss personal property exemptions in Illinois. We have a separate video on homeowner exemptions. To start out with, the state of Illinois starts out with a $4,000 personal property exemption that mainly covers your home furniture, computer, cash in your pocket, and money in the bank. Please remember that used furniture tends not to have almost any resale value. In fact, I've never had a trustee try to sell a person's couch, etc., or their used computer. So $4,000 is almost always sufficient. And of course, this doubles to $8,000 if a married couple file together. The personal property exemption is frequently also called a wild card, and let me explain why. You only use a small portion of your personal property exemption on household goods. The rest can be used for other assets. What about a car? Some people actually own a car free and clear of liens. Well, first of all, there's a $2,400 exemption in one car. Of course, that's $4,800 if husband and wife own it together. What if it's worth more? Well, you can use the unused portion of the wild card for that. What if you have a second car? Well, you can use the wild card for that. What about clothing? Well, clothing, to the extent necessary, is completely exempt. I know. If you have a couple of mink coats and the like, well, that could be a problem. And the same for personal property. If you have expensive jewelry, that could be a problem. Most of my clients don't seem to have expensive jewelry. The other area that comes up periodically, someone wants to file bankruptcy, or they're thinking about it, they're being hounded by their creditors, being threatened with wage garnishments and the like, but they have a pending personal injury case that's worth thousands of dollars. Well, the exemption on personal injury cases is $15,000 plus maybe up to $19,000. What happens then? Well, a few times we have done this, they go into a Chapter 13 where they pay a very small monthly payment while they're waiting the results of the personal injury case. It works out pretty well. Tools of the trade. The exemption is $1,500 for tools of the trade. Again, you can use the unused portion of the wild card if your tools of the trade are worth much more than $1,500. There's a couple other exemptions I want to discuss. Worker comp claims are totally exempt as long as you list them. Likewise, qualified retirement plans, such as 401ks, I think they are some other number than a 403 for certain charitable organizations, are completely exempt, as well as individual retirement accounts. They're totally exempt. There's a few other exemptions, but this video is probably long enough. What happens if indeed your property exceeds the allowable exemptions? Well, you may have to do a Chapter 13. To this end, I will tell you, we do a lot of work in those types of situations where we reduce the amount to be paid to unsecured creditors as much as possible. After all, we work for you. We do not work for the trustee. We do not work for creditors. I hope this has been of some help. As a way of disclaimer, you have to understand that a video is not actual legal advice. This is general information. When you're considering filing a bankruptcy, you're best served by talking to a lawyer who handles bankruptcy cases. Hopefully you'll call us. We have offices in Chicago and Waukee. Our telephone number can be found on our website, or you can call me directly. My number is area code 312-804-1944. I'm almost always available. Okay, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it has been of some help. And God bless you.